Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. Market extending to the S&P 500 went to 564.84, stayed above the 80 and 455. That's the support. Below that, 547, 540 targets, 570, 579, 587, channel 86, channel top. Coin, the crypto market made a move over the weekend. Many of the crypto-related tickers, especially crypto miners, made a significant move today. A coin is also an investment, and it looks very strong with a good base here to the 207, up to the 50 SMA. Good volume today. Money stream is pointing up. OBV is starting to move up too. It needs to push through the double resistance here at 255. It's also a target. Eventually, if it breaks through and goes, I'm looking at 272, 290, and 310. Support is the 50 SMA. CORZ, this one, something we've been following for the past several weeks. There was a dark pool activity some time ago, rather large combination of 7 million shares, somewhere between 980 and 1010, something like that. They popped the all-time high. This one is an IPO. It's a crypto miner. Partnered up with Square last week. It was in the news. Technicals are bullish. Again, it's breaking out. The I-11 today goes above it, 1101. Today one is high as 1127. I'm looking for 12, 1350, 1511, and then possibly 17. As an analyst as a target of 15. Support is the ATMA and 950. Hood also moving, again, this one is a crypto related, so it makes sense. They made a move. 25, 26, and 27.40 are the targets. Support today low. Swing again. Are you tired of playing the guessing game in the stock market? It's time for a change. It's time to trade with smart money. Introducing Dark Option Flow, your key to trading success. Tracking unusual options, dark pools, and insiders' activities in real time. Trade alongside smart money. This is the game billionaires and investors don't want you to know. Dark Option Flow, your pathway to trading success. Try it today with our 14-day money-back guarantee. Join us today 100% risk-free. Your success story begins with Dark Option Flow. Visit darkoptionflow.com and start trading in the know. Dark Option Flow, because your success matters. See you inside.